Hello everybody, this is Michelle Littler with Owl Star Stampers, and I am super excited to share with you my upcoming online card class. This card class is delivered and shipped to your door, and it is featuring the Happy Birthday to You stamp set. So included in the class, you're going to get your brand new stamp set included. How cool is that? So in this class, you get a stamp set. You're going to be getting some multi-purpose liquid glue, a Winka Stella. We always need a new one of those. Some really pretty woven threads assortment sequins, and a package of dimensionals. And then also in this class, you're going to make 6 different cards. So let me show you a sneak peek of some of the cards and how pretty they are. You're going to make one of the 6 different cards. There is some coloring. You don't need the dies. I hand cut out the one cake, but see how we use these pretty little embellishments on these cards. So I only have 29 of these kits available because I was able to get the stamp sets during celebration. So only 29 available. The class itself is only $38 shipped to you. That includes the shipping for only $38. So make sure you hop on over and you sign up for this class right away. The registration is going to end in a week or until it sells out. And classes have been selling out fast. So make sure you don't wait. You go grab this class right now and it will ship to you on May 2nd. So have fun, and I know we all can use birthday cards, and this is an awesome class. So make sure you go grab it.